this video I will guide you how to fix Play Store not working on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Play Store from here. Click on Google Play Store and click on storage. Click on clear cache. After clear cache Google Play Store, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, check your network. After check your network, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.